us try to understand the architecture of computer. Okay, so let us say you want to calculate what is 2 plus 2. So you will give the input using keyboard. Then it will not directly go to the processor. It will go to the memory. Memory means RAM. It will go to memory. From this memory, this CPU will fetch the information. CPU is having two parts. One is control unit. The other one is Arithmetic Logic Unit. So this control unit will fetch the information from memory. And this information will be provided to ALU to do the calculations. This ALU will do the calculation. What is 2 plus 2? 4. Then it will provide the information to memory. Okay, memory will provide this information to the output device. So this is the architecture of computer. If you see here, we are giving input to through this keyboard 20 plus 20. Then it will go to memory. Memory is nothing but your RAM. From RAM, CU will take the information and it will provide to ALU. ALU do the calculation and it will provide the answer to CU. CU will send the answer to this memory. Memory will send the answer to the output device port.